Hi, so welcome you to 2 BHK actual apartment of Highland Park Terraces. So this is the drawing room dining area, and this area is coming up by default fall ceiling. The complete fall ceiling will be there in drawing and dining area with the lights, and this area is connected to the beautiful balcony. It's a very nice balcony. The outer will be a stainless steel frame. The grills will be, and it is all the units are overlooking to the green areas. और सबसे अच्छी बात है कि हर चीज का एक प्रोविजन है। अगर आप देखेंगे हर लाइट पॉइंट, स्विच पॉइंट जो है अपनी जगह पे प्लेस है। लाइक केबल की कनेक्शंस की जितनी भी वायर्स हैं, सो वो सारी की सारी छत तक जाती है। सो इट इज गोइंग अप टू द रूफ, मींस नोबडी विल प्लेस देयर टाटा स्काई और डिश टीवी अम्ब्रेला आउटसाइड योर यूनिट। तो सारी की सारी उसकी प्रोविजन ऊपर टॉप तक करती है। So the finish and fit and finish is very good. अगर आप देखेंगे वॉल का एक एक जो पॉइंट है, they have kept in mind कि पूरे का पूरा finished करके दिया आपको। This is the actual apartment. So there will be a copper wiring for your air conditioning. So the split AC provision is there. And this is a very important area called kitchen. So in this particular unit you will be getting a fully modular kitchen for the lady of the house, and which includes a chimney by default. So chimney as an electronic appliance, it is as a kind of a complementary they are giving Highland Park. So this area, you see, this is a complete soft closer. This will be a soft closer. A lot of space they are providing. Lot of space. So it is a modular for storage. Lot of space. So this space is for the stacking the utensils, क्योंकि ये washing area है। तो ये डबल सिंक बाउल वॉशिंग एरिया के साथ, और फिट एंड फिनिश जो भी है ये सारा जैगुआर का है। तो हॉट एंड कोल्ड का प्रोविजन है, एंड जैगुआर का सारा फिट एंड फिनिश है। आरओ का प्रोविजन है, गीजर का प्रोविजन है। इसमें भी देखेंगे आप, दिस इज एम्पल स्पेस। So people who are looking for a smaller unit, a 2 BHK nowadays is getting very popular, and beauty is this is very well maintained and very well built in terms of quality. So now I will show you the room sizes. So now we have a very good room size. It's approximately 10 by 15 is the entire room size. So by default they are giving wooden work of all the things which whatever you can see right now. So this is kind of a dressing concept, where they are giving this is a space for placing your belongings, storage, and then mirrors. अगर आप ध्यान से देखेंगे जो बोर्ड है इसका, it is a compressed board. This is not sun mica. So the benefit is over the period of time this will give a longer durability, and this will not be damaged frequently. So again the storage, and the good part is there is another storage which is there over and above on this wardrobe. So the bigger briefcases can be placed over and above. So here is the washroom. It is standard by standard fittings. They are giving a Jaguar collection once again. So you will be getting a warranty card for 10 years along with buying the property. So if you compare, lot many builders are not giving this kind of a benefit. So वारंटी कार्ड आपको साथ में मिलेगा जब आप घर बाय करेंगे प्रॉपर्टी पेपर्स के साथ, 10 साल की वारंटी रहेगी. सो बिल्डर इज क्लेमिंग लाइक दिस. सो ये जो सीपी फिटिंग्स है और जो सैनिटरी है ये सोमानी और जैगुआर का रहने वाला है. और स्विचेस और मॉड्यूलर स्विचेस, गीजर का सेपरेट प्रोविजन है. और ये फॉल सीलिंग के लिए रखा हुआ. बेसिकली ये बड़ा कंफर्टेबल सा रहता है बिकॉज सारे पाइप्स के जॉइंट ओवर एंड अबव है, छत के ऊपर है. सो देयर इज नो जॉइंट और द बिगर पाइप्स आर देयर इन द वॉल. सो दिस रूम इज 10 by 15 and this is connected with a full length UPVC window and a toughened glass. So benefit of UPVC window is इसका पेंट नहीं गिर जाता एंड टर्बाइन का प्रॉब्लम नहीं रहता. सो ये एक बहुत बड़ा बेनिफिट है इसके साथ. On the back side there is the washing area. There is provision for the washing area. There is a separate tap for that. Switches, right? And this balcony is kept for the washing and utility basically. So there is a ventilation. This is open to sky. So the complete ventilation will be there. So both the units are not like back to back. They are not attached back to back actually. So now move forward with the second bedroom. And you can notice जो डोर की हाइट भी है ये 8 फुट है. ऑल द डोर्स, चाहे वो यूपीवीसी विंडो के हो, चाहे एंट्री डोर हो, चाहे वॉशरूम्स के डोर हो, सारे 8 फुट हाइट के ऊपर है. This room is also 10 by 15. So if you see the size is very good. The tile is again the high definition tile 2 by 2. It is 2 feet by 2 feet की tile basically they are providing. Again in this room as well they are giving a separate dressing area and this space for the belongings. Almirah. This will be part of the standard feature. Or soft closer again. So this is the second bedroom. So there will be separate color combination. So ground floor will be anti-skid tiles, anti-slippery tiles we can say, and other tiles like on the till the rooftop, we will be getting a proper glossy tiles actually. So this is the actual unit. Let me tell you, whatever you can see, we are showing the actual handover units. So there is no gap in between. All the provision of lighting, the provision of copper wiring for separate ACs, for cable network TV, for the telephone wiring, everything will be there inside. So you need to carry only your luggage and all. Uske baad you can enjoy your living here. Thank you so much.